Hello friends, welcome back to another session. This is our second session of Apache Kafka. In last session we have seen the introduction part of Kafka and we did some basic comparison or few comparison we did with RabbitMQ. So in this session we will see, first we will see the installation of Apache Kafka, then we will see how we can create consumer and producer in using Apache Kafka console. Okay, so let's first do the installation. So to install you just need to visit to this Apache apache.org, this website. From here you need to download the Kafka. The latest version is 2.13. You can download this 2.13. So from this binary downloads, you just simply you have to click on this download. It will get downloaded. It's around 102 MB file. So let's wait till that it is completing. Okay, so the download is completed. You can see this is our download. Installation wise, you no need to do much on that because this is already developed using Java. So Java is already installed in our system. Our job is to just configure this Kafka and start. That's it. So so the first thing, just the first step, we have to download file. Downloaded file will be named something like that, Kafka 2.3 something, 2.13 hyphen 3.4.0 3.5.1. that's the latest version. You can download the latest version. The version may vary time to time. It's the latest version, you download whatever is at that time. Okay, then just simply you have to extract this file anywhere in your favorite directory. For example, here Kafka home. Kafka home is nothing but the directory where you are extracting that file. That is your Kafka home. Suppose currently this file is under download folder. So I don't want to keep here in download, so just Control X, copy this, go to home, under apps you can place, under apps you can place it. So this will be our home/apps will be our home directory. So here you need to extract it. Extraction you can do using command prompt or using UI also you can do, is very easily. Right click here, extract here, that's it, it will extract. Okay, the second step is also completed. Extract the Kafka, extract the file that we have downloaded, the tzz file. Extract that file anywhere in your favorite directory. We are giving that favorite directory name as Kafka home, just for understanding. Okay, or else Kafka home you can use to set a path variable also. Okay, so it's there, Kafka home. You can delete this one now, or else keep it once. It's just backup file. It's a original setup that we downloaded. Actually this is that file that we have extracted. Okay, so in this directory, if you observe the directory structure of Kafka, there is a binary, bin files, some configuration related files, libraries, some external libraries, all are jar. If you see, all are jar. Why it is jar? Because Kafka is written in Java, so that's why all libraries are in a jar. Bin, under bin there is some shell script file sh, that is for shell script file is only for Linux and Mac operating system. If you are running in a Windows operating system, then Windows is there. Under Windows there is so many files for window, like Kafka server stop.bat, Kafka server start.bat. We know bat file is executable file on Windows operating system. bat file is executable on window operating system, window based file bat. But if you are a Linux user, it is better to recommend, it is recommended better to use Linux as a developer. That's always good. so in window the executable file name will be .sh, shell script sh.sh. you can see all files are .sh. So here Kafka start, yeah, see Kafka server stop.sh, Kafka server start.sh. Similarly for Zookeeper also, Zookeeper server start.sh, Zookeeper server stop.sh, Zookeeper server start.sh. okay, same in window, Zookeeper server start.bat, Zookeeper server start.bat and Zookeeper server stop.bat. okay. So this window they have given for window users only, but our is Linux, so this is under bin only. okay, that is the another directory structure we have seen. Configuration, all configuration file, like we need to have two configuration. One is Zookeeper related configuration, another one is a server related configuration. What configuration we need to do as a Zookeeper? We'll see this one. So now first we have to create a new directory under Kafka home. It is recommended to create here, or else you can create anywhere, it doesn't any meaning. Wherever you want to create any file data with the name data, or name also you can take any of them. I am just taking the name as a data, and you have to create a directory, that's it. I am suggesting better to create in Kafka only, where you have Kafka. So that's why all files will be at a same single location, so that you can easily identify what files are there. Data generally used to store the data, like whenever you are publishing a message, that message has to store in server or side also, no? So where it will store in that folder, whatever folder we will configure. If we don't configure, then by default it is taking which one, by default it is taking which folder, we will see that one. So first thing we have to create a data under data folder we need to create. Then under data folder create a Zookeeper. That is also recommended to create under data only. You can create anywhere, no issue. So how it is? So go to your Kafka home. Under Kafka home, simply just create here data. Okay, or app data, server data, whatever name you want to give, you can give. You can give here server data also, server data, fine. You can give this name also. So just simply I am giving here data, that's it. So you will meaningly you can convenient, you can give server data also. Okay, app data, server data, something like that. Okay, that's it. Next, under data you need to create a Zookeeper. You see, Zookeeper. This name also you can give anything, because we have to configure this name in a Zookeeper. Zookeeper configuration and server configuration. You can give that, just you have to specify the path name. Data will store in that path automatically. So for convenient, data of what? Zookeeper, data of Zookeeper. So that's why I am giving a convenient name. This is a data. Under Kafka there is a data under Kafka there is a data of Kafka. But Kafka which component? Zookeeper. Okay, so Zookeeper. Another one we have to create one more, server logs in data only. So that, what is the use of this server log? Whenever server is running, it has to generate the logs in some directory, no? So that logs by default it is generating to some directory, but I want to configure that one. I don't want to store in that location. So that's why server logs I should be set here. So here two are there, under data Zookeepers and server log. That is a Kafka related. Okay, next now Zookeeper dot property file has to be configured. Edit the zookeeper.property file under Kafka home. Inside Kafka home there is a config folder. We have seen this already. Configuration, all configuration is there. This is our Kafka. Under apps, this is your Kafka home. Under Kafka there is a config. Open the config. Under config you can see zookeeper.properties. This is a .properties file. .properties file, key value pair, key value pair. You need to configure this one. In this one, what we need to configure? What we need to configure in this? You need to configure data directory, like zookeeper data, where the zookeeper data has to store. You have to tell. By default it is taking some directory. Where is the zookeeper data dir? See, data dir, under temp folder. By default it is saving to this one. I am just making this. Okay. This one, if you see other comments, I can delete it if you want. It is not required to have. Delete this one. The data directory where the snapshot is stored, by default it is temp, under temp zookeeper. Under temp zookeeper. Where is this directory? In Linux this directory is present. tmp directory always present in Linux and always present in Mac operating system. In both that the operating system the directory structure presents, but in case of Windows operating system this directory will never exist, because in Windows operating system drives will be there, C drive, D drive, E drive, like that. You need to give that path. You need to give that path wherever you want to store the data. So that's why I am just giving the home. Home means wherever that home is present, Kafka extracted files are present, that is home. Under that you create and you just give that path. That's why I am modifying. But in Linux or in Mac operating system you don't need to do, because I want to do it here. Okay, so I want to modify this location. So where is this location? Where is this location? Our location is data, under data zookeeper. So I want to give this location. This location I want to give. So where is that location? Just copy, no, go to properties, and this is the directory. This is the directory. Copy this and just simply go to here and just paste it. Under data zookeeper file folder is there. You have to place in this zookeeper. That's it. Okay, so we configured this. That's it. Other client port you no need to update anything. All properties you keep as it is. Even this property, this one, this comment you can remove. Set the port. That's it. These properties are enough. Only just one configuration we have to do. Only data directory we need to update here. Okay, that's it. Fine. Next we need to update server dot properties, so that logs also will be sit in data server logs. We need to update this also. So where is server dot properties? Same, under config only. Under config only the properties is there. Server dot property, open this one. Sorry, server dot property, open this one. Here so many configuration are. If you want to delete the comments like this hash, whatever is starting with hash, all are comment. If you want to delete, you delete it. Broker ID you keep it as it is. Like how many brokers are there, like if it is your Kafka server is scaled to multiple server, so each server will define one broker, one ID 0 1 2 3 4 5 something like that. So that is a broker ID. You don't need to update because currently there is one Kafka that is in our local installed. So for that one I am using 0 ID, 0th first. Second, if another one is there, I will give 1 2 3 like that. That is a broker ID. Okay. Okay, and network thread 3, that is okay. Leave it the number of threads that the server use for receiving request for which one, and sending response to the network. Like when someone is publishing, then how many threads can be? 3 threads can be run at a time to receive the message and to send the message. That is a number of threads you can configure. Buffer size, send buffer size used by the socket server. Like it's internally using a socket connection. So in that socket, how much bytes of data you want to send, how much you want to send in one shot. So that you can configure here, but by default you keep it. Is no need to do change. Receiver buffer, this is send buffer, this is receive buffer, same value, you just keep as default, no need to change. The maximum size of request that the socket server will accept, how many? This much maximum size of request in 1 second or 1 minute. You can configure that one. Okay. Log basic, this is a log related log directory. So log directory, what is our log directory? Now the logs will be generating under temp Kafka logs. It will create that directory automatically, but I want to configure that's only we are configuring here, log directory. So I want to store my logs in data server log here. So go to this property, and just copy this parent folder, copy this, just update. Where is that? Just update server logs. I think you can keep it as, or it is they are telling as a Kafka log, but I am giving as a server log. It's up to your choice what you want to give. You want name, you can give anything, as I told you before also. Name you can give anything. This data you can give up server data, my data, anything you want to, whatever the name you want to give, you can give this name also, because we have to just configure that directory. Name can be anything for that directory. Configuration is important, where you are configuring that directory. Okay, that's it. So this much configuration is only required, and the configuration is over. Save this file, close this. Okay, that's it. Now come back and go to bin. We have to start our Zookeeper and Kafka server. That's it. So under bin directory you have one Zookeeper server start.sh, one file is there, Zookeeper server start.sh. If you see Zookeeper server start.sh file and Zookeeper server stop.sh, both files are there. This is to start, this is to stop. You have to execute this file only. But while starting Zookeeper, you need to tell where is Zookeeper configuration file. While starting Zookeeper server, you need to tell to Zookeeper server where is configuration file. So that configuration file we are telling it is here. Now this dot is representing what? Dot means one directory back. One directory back means currently we are at a bin. If you see here, we are under home, apps, Kafka, bin. We are under bin file. One directory back, come back. Okay, so dot means one directory back, 2 dots. This 2 dot means one directory back. After that one there is a config. Yes, config is there. Under config there is a Zookeeper.property file. It is there. Yes, Zookeeper.property. So this is Zookeeper configuration file. that we need to tell here. So that's only we are going to do, how we are going to execute this file. So first just start the zookeeper, copy this. Now you need to open terminal at this location. You have to open the terminal here only. How will you do? Right click here, open terminal, that's it. It's directly opening terminal here only. See, it's opening terminal here only. So just paste it. It will start zookeeper. Yes, zookeeper is started. Okay, zookeeper is started. Now we need to start the Kafka server. Okay, so how you will start the Kafka server now? Under bin directory only. If you open bin directory, under bin, Kafka server start.sh, one file is there. Kafka server start and Kafka server stop. When you execute Kafka server stop, automatically it will stop the Kafka server. When execute Kafka server start, it will start, but you need to tell configuration file again. So same, Kafka server start.sh, go one directory back. There is a config directory. Under config directory, server.properties is there. Whatever that we executed, same as zookeeper.property, under that directory only server.properties file are there. We have updated the log directory in this file only. So just copy this one and execute. So where you will execute? Under this, in this terminal you cannot execute now, because this terminal is running zookeeper server is running in this terminal, so you cannot execute that here. So what you need to do? You need to open another terminal here. So there are two ways to open another terminal. Right click here and you can open terminal. This is the second way. It will open another terminal, but the very simple way, you go to the existing terminal and one plus symbol is there above. You can see here. You see, where is my cursor? Plus symbol. Just click on here. So it's opening another terminal of, say, at same location. It's opening. See, same location. Whatever this location is Apache Kafka 2.30 something bin. Same at same location it is opening another terminal. Just paste it here. And now it will start your Kafka server. It's starting. Yes, Kafka server is start. You just minimize this. Don't close any of the window. If you close, server will be down. Kafka server or zookeeper. If you close any of the window, your server will be down. So just minimize this. Don't do anything on that now. That's it. Now our server is up. Kafka is up. You can create a topic, you can delete a topic, you can see the topics, you can publish the message to topic, and you can consume from the topic. Okay, how you can do now, we will see that one. So next thing, just if you want to stop, then what you need to execute? Just you need to execute this one, Kafka server stop. It will automatically stop this one. Where you will execute this command, you have to open another terminal here itself, or you can open another terminal by right click here and just execute that command. Server will be stopped. Kafka you want to stop, or zookeeper you want to stop, you can do. Or else, or simple way is press Ctrl plus Z here. If I am opening this terminal and I press Ctrl plus Z, it will terminate. Here also Ctrl plus Z, it will terminate. But currently we don't want to terminate. I will show you at the last. Then next go. Now we will manage the Kafka topic. We know in Kafka there is only topic. There is no exchange, no queue, nothing like that. There is only just topic. Just only one topic is there. Not a one topic. How many topics you want to create? You, as per your numbers, you have to create the topics. That's it. Fine. So first we will see Kafka. So there is a file, Kafka topic.sh. One shell script file is there. Where is this file? This file is present under this only, this bean only. If you see this bean, there is a Kafka topic. some search file, search if it is there. Yes, Kafka topic sh is there. So you have to execute this file. So right click here and run another terminal. You do like that. Don't create a new terminal here. You can do that one, but that will be conflict. By accidentally, if you deleted the terminal, server will stop. You have to start again. So that's why just minimize this and don't touch this terminal at all. Create another terminal like that. So this is a fresh terminal, another new terminal. In this terminal, in one terminal, two windows are running, but in this terminal only one window is running. That's why better to create another terminal. So this is okay. Another terminal. In this one, first I want to see the version of Kafka. How will you do? Simple. Kafka topic sh version. Kafka topic sh version. Execute. Don't do this one. Just do here. Okay. Minimize this. Okay. And just do this one like that. Simply make it small without any conflict. You can see why I am doing this one. I will show you again later. Just like that. That's it. Okay. Paste it. It will see the Kafka, show you the Kafka version 3.5.1. I think previously when at that time I installed, that was 3.4.0. I think every month or every 2-3 months they are giving update. Okay, that's okay, not a big issue. Next one, you need to create a topics. How many topics are there already in your Kafka server? How will you know? You have to see the topic first. No, this is just to create the topic, but I want to see the list of topic. How many topics are there? So this command will tell you how many topics are there. So what exactly this command is doing? Kafka topic sh. This is your Kafka topic sh file. You have to tell which server, which Kafka server in localhost 9020, the default port of a Kafka. You can configure this one. I will show you how you can configure. So this is a default localhost 9021. If some other server is there, in that server if Kafka is running, so you have to tell to that server IP address. And how that server IP address will be resolved? Because of Zookeeper. Zookeeper will handle the multiple server, group of a server. Okay. And list means what? Kafka topic list. I want to see from this Kafka server. The meaning of this command is I want to see the Kafka topic list from localhost 9092 server. Simple. Copy, go to here, just paste, enter. There is nothing. There is no topic. We need to create a topic first. So I am just creating a topic here using this command. What this command is telling? Kafka topic sh. Last you see create. It means create a topic with topic name my test topic. Refactor replication factor 1. Like in one node only you have to do this one. Replication means replication you have to do. Like I have 3 computers, like 3 server. In that one I am running Kafka server. So factor how much I want? 3. It means in the all 3 server the message will be stored, so that I can, if one server is failure, I can retrieve the same from other server. That is the replication factor. So replication factor 1 means in one current system there is one Kafka server, please store that Kafka message in this one only. So that is a refactor replication factor. Partition localhost 9200 in current system bootstrap server. That is our server. That's it. What is this partition 2 replication factor? About that we will learn more in details later if time permits. Just currently you understand in the local system localhost 9092 create a topic with name my test topic. That's it. This is the meaning of this statement, copy, just come and paste it here. Okay, first what I am doing, just I am expanding this one, later on we will do that. Yes, created a topic, this one. Now if I want to see the topic, now if I want to list the topic, will it create the topic? Yes, it will create the, it will show the name of topic, how many topics are there. So currently there is a one topic, my test topic, it will come, see. Okay, one topic is there. Next, if you want to describe the topic, like describe means will give more details about the topic. You have to tell Bootstrap server, this is my Bootstrap server, my topic name is this one, and describe this topic. Describe this topic. So let's see, it will tell like how many replication factor are there, how many partitions are there, what is the topic name, it will tell all. So some more detail it is telling. Okay, what is this ISR, replication, leads, partition, later we will see. Next, if you want to delete the topic, can you delete this topic? Same topic, if you want to delete, you can delete, but I don't want to delete this topic. I will okay, let's delete and we will create again, no issue. I will just I will show you how can you delete this topic. I will show you that simply paste and just press enter. This topic is deleted. Topic is deleted. Okay, okay, so the topic is deleted. If you see, the topic is deleted. If topic is deleted, so if you want to get that one, if you want to get the topic, will it get the topic? No, because we have deleted that. Not there, topic is not there at all, because we deleted that one. We have already deleted using this delete statement, Kafka topic, Bootstrap server, localhost 9092, and topic name, and just operation like describe, delete, whatever you want to give. Okay, so we have done with the curd operation. We can see how to see the version of Kafka topic, how to create the topic. To create the topic, we just have to use create this command. To list the topic, to describe the topic, and to delete the topic. We have seen all these commands. So I'm just creating this topic again, because we need to see how we can publish, how we can consume. So we need to do that one. So simply just I'm creating this topic. And now if you see, after creating this topic, if you see, it will get the topic. You just describe this topic once, copy and paste it. Now the topic is there. Yes, so this is the curd operation of topic. Create the topic, get the topic, describe the topic, and delete the topic. That's it. Next, we will create Kafka console producer and Kafka console consumer. In RabbitMQ, we have seen the consumer and producer example, but consumer we have an option to create using any other application. Like we have created consumer using Spring Boot application. We have to create a consumer explicitly, but producer, there is a one dashboard is there. In that dashboard you can use that UI window, and you can publish the message. That facilities you have. But in Kafka we have both. We have producer and consumer. Just console, like in console you want to see. Other producer and consumer, you have to create explicitly, like using Spring Boot application you can create a consumer, and using Spring Boot application you can create a producer and consumer both. Using Spring Boot application, you can create producer and you can create consumer. But without that one, if you want to test that functionality in console or in your local system without creating any application, you can do so, because they have provided Kafka console producer and Kafka console consumer.sh file. Where is this file? This file is available under this bin only. Search and look for Kafka console producer and Kafka console consumer. Kafka producer, Kafka console, yes, Kafka console producer.sh. This is the Kafka console producer.sh. This is Kafka console consumer.sh. You need to use these two files to see whether it's successfully producing a message to the topic and whether it is a reading from the topic successfully or not. So how will you do that one? You need to start this producer and consumer. We'll do that one now. So just simply you need to execute Kafka console producer first. How you have to tell what is your server. My server is localhost 9092. What is my topic name? Topic name is my test topic. Kafka console producer.sh is a file, shell script file. That file has a two parameter. One parameter you need to tell server host and port, and you have to tell topic name also. So just you have to execute this command. So let's execute this one and open a new terminal here. Don't open terminal here in the Kafka. You can close this one. This one you can close. Leave it. Where we created that Kafka topic, you can close this one if you want. Or else if you want to use this one, you can use clear this one. Clear CLER. Clear this one, because in this command only we have to execute. Okay, so this is here we have to start our producer first. So producer, this one, Kafka console producer.sh, server host is localhost, port is 9092, and topic name is my test topic. So producer is started. Yes, producer is started. It's ready to produce the message. It is ready to produce the message. Now consumer is not there. Consumer is not ready, but producer is ready. What I will do first, I will publish the message like hello, how are you. Message is published. How will you see? You need a consumer. You need a consumer. Consumer will show you that whether the message is there or not. So we need to start consumer also. We need to start consumer also. So console config consumer. Consumer at where? Consumer where? Localhost 9092. What is the topic name? This is the topic name. For this one, just create a console consumer. Simple. And you have to execute that in a new terminal simply, and just wait here. And another one, let's I think this one, not this one. Producer is this one. This is our producer. This is our consumer. This is our consumer. Okay. Yes. This is our consumer. Start the consumer. Execute this command. Now consumer is ready. Consumer is ready. Ready to consume, I think. Publish some message. Hello, welcome to Tech Hub. We are LEAR and learning Kafka. We are learning Kafka. Yes. Publishing. Message is published from publisher, from console publisher. Console publisher is publishing a message, and the same message we are receiving at consumer side. Any other message you can please please subscribe my YouTube. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Sorry, what happened? Yes, it's successfully done. What is your name? Write down your name in comment section. Okay, it's publishing. Fine. Any other message you want? This is my test message from console producer. Console producer. Simple. Producer consumer is working. But what about the first message that I given? Is it not showing here? Why that message should be there? And what if I close this one? I have closed this one. Close this terminal. Console producer, console consumer, I closed it. Now if I again open and if I start that console consumer, again, so it is starting, and if I'm giving here hello, hi, hello, what's up guys, what's up guys. Yes, it's there. But what about the old messages that we published? Because since in the definitions we told Kafka server will keep the message in his database side as at least for few days, so that it can be recovered in case of lost or something. How will you do it? And even the first message also we have not seen here. So how will you do it? For that one, what you need to do, you need to tell to console consumer, I want the topic from beginning. That's it. I want the topic from beginning. Simple. Console consumer, Kafka console consumer.sh. Please create a console consumer from localhost 9092, where topic name is this one, from beginning all the messages. It will give the beginning message also. See, first message was hello, how are you? Second message was hello, welcome to Tech Hub, we are learning Kafka. Third one is please subscribe my channel, what is your name? This is my test message from console producer, and hello, what's up guys. So this was the message that was consumed, that was sent by your producer. If some new message I am giving, it will come that also. Namaste. That's it. So similarly, in this way you can create console consumer and console producer, but that is not the way in your application. In application you have to create consumer and producer, both are separately. We will see that in our next session. Okay. So that's all about the installation and console consumer and console producer. And I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and do your financial support. So thank you and have a nice day. We'll see you in the next session.